It's time to learn how to download and install the KXDriver for use on a PC with your MA2100cwfx printer. Type in this website location, https://kyocera.info. This will take you to the download center. Here, you should select your country or region. In our example, we're using USA. In the Refine the Product area, type in MA2100. Now click on the Kyocera MA2100cwfx. Select your operating system from the list. In this example, we're using Windows 10 64-bit. Scroll down and find the Easy Installation Web Installer, Windows only. Click the blue download button as shown. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom and select the Agree to Contract and Download blue button. Open the downloaded file. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom and select the Accept blue button. A resource and energy saving window will appear. Scroll to the bottom and select the blue OK button. Next, the web installer window will appear with three options: Install, Uninstall, and Maintenance. Click on Install. The available devices will appear. It may take a minute or two for your printer's name to appear. Click on the Kyocera MA2100cwfx option and then click Next. Many component options are available. For now, select KXDriver as shown. Then click the blue Install button. Your installation will begin. Each selected component will be downloaded and installed. Once complete, the status will change to Installed. This process may take some time, so please be patient. Once all components are installed, click the blue Next button. The configuration window will appear. You can click on a Print a Test page, and upon setup completion, the machine will print out a test page. You can also set this printer as your default printer, meaning all jobs will, by default, print to your Kyocera printer. Next, the printer is preset at the factory to always print on both sides of the paper. To print only on one side, click here to uncheck the option. Click Finish. You've now installed and configured the KXDriver for your new Kyocera MA2100cwfx printer.